So today's job, today's work is my machine and me and my chainsaw, which I usually don't break out till fire season till versus some sand in the tree. We're gonna see how this goes. We are now full of fuel and I managed to get it on the ground. Just my luck. And always check it before I run on the job. It looks like I'm low on coolant, and I'm gonna check the oil. And then that should be good to go. Things people don't think about is when you're self-employed is all the little things you got to do. All the vehicle maintenance, checking all the fluids, all the stuff, just to make sure that when they pay me, I show up. It is tiring sometimes, but I would complain that don't make me no money. And since God invented work, I love it. That's all I got to say is I love it. No problem.